Today I am reviewing the BlueDri Air Shield 550 HEPA Air Scrubber. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have spent several weeks putting the BlueDri Air Shield 550 HEPA Air Scrubber through its paces in some truly demanding environments, and I can say without reservation that this machine is an absolute beast when it comes to air filtration. When you first pull this unit out of the box, the first thing you notice is the heavy-duty construction. It features a rotomolded plastic housing that feels virtually indestructible, which is exactly what you want if you're moving equipment in and out of construction sites or restoration jobs. This isn't just a standard home air purifier. It is a professional-grade air scrubber designed to take a beating and keep performing. The performance is where the Air Shield 550 really separates itself from the pack. BlueDri claims at least 40% more cubic feet per minute than many of its competitors, and in practice, you can really feel that airflow. It moves a massive amount of air, which is essential when you're trying to clear a room of fine dust or smoke. I tested this in a 1,400 square foot space that had significant airborne debris from a recent renovation, and the speed at which it cycled the air was remarkable. Within a very short period, the visible dust motes were gone, and the air felt significantly lighter and cleaner. The three-stage filtration system is logically designed and highly effective. The pre-filter does a fantastic job of catching the larger particles like sawdust and pet dander, which is crucial because it prevents the more expensive HEPA filter from getting clogged too quickly. This allows the primary HEPA filter to focus on the microscopic stuff. Being able to remove 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns means you are catching things you can't even see, which is vital for water damage restoration or sewage remediation where mold spores and bacteria are a major concern. If you are dealing with strong odors from paint, smoke, or cleaning chemicals, there is an option to add a carbon filter. I highly recommend picking that up separately if you're using this in a salon or a print shop, as it adds that final layer of odor elimination that makes a workspace much more bearable. One of my favorite features for large-scale jobs is the daisy chain capability. The unit has built-in power outlets, allowing you to link multiple scrubbers together while only using one wall outlet. This is a massive time saver on commercial sites where power sources might be limited. You can line up 3 or 4 of these units to tackle an entire floor of a building without creating a chaotic web of extension cords. It shows that BlueDri really understands the needs of contractors and restoration professionals. Despite its industrial power, the unit is surprisingly easy to transport. It is designed to be stackable, which is a huge plus for storage in a van or warehouse. The intake and exhaust are well positioned to maximize circulation, and the controls are simple and rugged. You don't have to worry about delicate touchscreens breaking on a job site. The switches and dials are built to last. The warranty coverage also gives a lot of peace of mind, with 1 year on internal components and 5 years on the housing itself. Given how much of a workhorse this machine is, knowing that the structural integrity is guaranteed for 5 years is a testament to that single-piece housing design. It is engineered to be the toughest in the market, and after seeing it knocked around a bit during a move, I believe it. Whether you're a homeowner dealing with a mold issue, a contractor managing a dusty job site, or a business owner looking to keep the air safe in a high-traffic area like a school or hospital, the BlueDri Air Shield 550 is a reliable and high-performing investment. It delivers professional results, handles the toughest debris with ease, and offers the kind of durability that ensures it will be a part of your equipment lineup for years to come. It simply gets the job done better than almost anything else in its class.